Hey guys, welcome to Always Alyssa. I'm here with my little sister Chloe. Say hi everybody. She looks so cute, doesn't she? She looks so pretty. And today we're going to be sharing with you guys our night routine together as sisters. Are you excited to share with everyone our night routine? Is it going to be a lot of fun? Yeah? Really? You have a lot of words to say. Do you want to say anything else? Chloe. Are you ready to get started? I think that's a yes. The first thing we're going to do is get changed into our pajamas. Here's the pajamas I'm going to wear, super fluffy because it's getting pretty chilly. So here's my pajamas, and I'm probably going to put a sweatshirt on because like I said, it is pretty cold. Let's put my dirty clothes away too. Okay, I got my sweatshirt on, and now I'm gonna go pick out Chloe's pajamas. I was looking through Chloe's pajamas, and I think this one's pretty cute. What do you think, Chloe? Is this a good one? Should we wear it tonight? Yeah? Okay, we will. Time to get dressed. Are you ready? We're gonna put on some comfy pajamas. Look how cute you look, baby. Look at you, so fancy. Okay, we're back in my room. We're both in our pajamas, and I'm gonna put on some fuzzy socks because she has a onesie on, so her feet are already covered, but mine are cold. So oh, you're getting the camera. Looks like it's gonna be Chloe's channel now. Say hi everyone, it's Chloe. I'm gonna put these super fuzzy winter boots on. They're like sparkulator. They're so cute. Do you like them, Chloe? What do you think about these? Oh, she just wants the camera. There. Wow, look at you. You're gonna be a pro vlogger. Here, do you need a little help? Look how cute you are. Say hi, everybody. Hey, Chloe, what do you think of my shoes? Do you approve? Are they sparkly enough? Yeah? I think she likes them. Chloe, are you ready to go down the hall and get some dinner? Are you a little hungry? Yeah? Let's go get something to eat. Now Chloe's gonna pick out her dinner. Out of everything in the pantry, she's only allowed to eat right here. This is your section, Chloe. Which one do you want?
Oh!
The orange one? Ooh, she wants all three.
Ooh, so you like the orange one?
I think the orange one is good.
Uh-oh. Let me pick that up. Oh, chicken rice.
The orange one.
You're a healthy
Yummy.
baby.
Go in your little chair. There we go. I'm gonna go get your spoon, okay?
Uh-oh, is she gonna get the food? Oh, Alyssa, let's let Chloe pick the spoon.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Okay, Chloe, let's pick your spoon.
The green one. That's a good choice. I think I'm also gonna let her pick which bib she wears. Hey, Chloe, do you want to wear the pink bib or the purple bib? Which one looks better? The pink one? Okay. There you go. You have your bib on. You're hungry, I know. Let's open it up. Wow. I'm scared of opening these things. Let's take out your pluggy so you can eat. Yummy. Let's give you a good dinner. Is that good? Yummy. Oh, don't grab it. Let's clean that up. Let's clean your nose while we're at it. Yummy. I'm gonna get my dinner. And salmon, one of my favorite dinners. How good that looks. Chloe finished her food, now I'm eating mine. We finished our food, and now we're back in my room, and we're gonna read a book. Do you want to read a book, Chloe? Does this look like a good one to read? Should we read that one? Yeah? 5-minute princess stories. Let's start on this one. On a clear winter night, prince led Cinderella out to the balcony. I have a surprise for you, he said. Do you like the texture of the book? I have a surprise for you, he said, handing her a box. Inside was a beautiful new coat. Look, it shows a picture. You see that? Yeah, you see that too? Pretty pictures, huh? Oh, it's simply lovely, Cinderella exclaimed. Thank you. It was a pretty and thoughtful gift. Look at that, it's a pink horse. You like the book? She likes to read already. I always practice my guitar at night, so now I'm going to practice it with Chloe here. Ooh, that needs to be tuned. She really likes it every time I play my guitar for her. She always looks at it. You like that? Do you like it? She always finds a way to get the camera. You like that? You know, I was thinking maybe we should light a candle. Hey Chloe, should we light a candle? What you looking at? Ooh, she found a little diamond. Do you like sparkly things already? Chloe, do you want to light this candle? Smell it. Do you think it smells good? Smells yummy, right? Oh, she wants to touch it. Let's light it, yeah? It smells super good. It smells like pumpkin shortbread. Look at that. Do you like that? Is that cool? It's a little candle. She's like, where did that light come from? You can't touch it. I can tell she likes it. Okay, now we're in the bathroom and I'm gonna do a little bit of face cream that I always do every night. It's coconut flavored, it's so good. Are you dancing? And I'm gonna give her something to hold. Look at this. You like this? Makeup brushes. One day we're gonna do your makeup. This brush is so tiny, I practically could. Don't eat it. I knew she would try to eat it. She tries to eat everything now. Okay, I'm gonna do this face cream. It's coconut. You wanna smell it, Chloe? It smells really good. Does that smell good? She wants to eat it. Oh no! She got some on her finger. That's okay. You can just rub it in your hand. Silly baby. Here, you want to play with this? I'm going to give her something to keep her entertained while I put this cream on my face. I'm obsessed. It smells so good. It's like coconut and vanilla. It makes her face super soft. But Chloe doesn't need it because her face is already soft. Does that taste good, Chloe? There we go. That's fine. And for part of my night routine, I always put on a little Vaseline. I keep this one in my bathroom at all times. In fact, sometimes I even take it with me when I go places. Like, I use it that much. But Vaseline is just the best. You want a tiny bit? You want just a little bit? Here we go. She tried to lick it. Whoa, she's so loud. She makes so many noises. I'm gonna brush my teeth, get my toothpaste out. Oh, what did you find? I don't know if that'll taste good or not. She'll eat anything she can find. Does it taste good? Do you want to smell the toothpaste? Do you brush your teeth? Now we're both gonna brush. Yeah, good job. That's the wrong way, Chloe. Good job. just realized she has no teeth to even brush. Oh, open your mouth. There's no teeth. It's so cute. Oh, she doesn't care. Now I'm going to unmake my bed and prepare it for sleeping. So I'm going to take all my pillows off, every single one, put them in a specific spot and pattern on the floor. Okay, now this is the one that I actually sleep with, and this one just like kind of goes over there. This one goes down here. Just like this, because it's pretty cold in our house, so I need a lot of layers of blankets. This one is gonna go right here. This is my eye mask that I sleep with. Do you wanna hold that? My eye mask? And then here's a little light. And I always have a water over here, just in case, because I always get thirsty in the middle of the night. Do you like the light? Is that cool? Are you gonna eat it? I bet you are. That looks so cool, huh? Okay, one last thing before we have to go to bed. I'm gonna brush my hair. I don't know why I do before bed, but I do. I don't know why. And we should brush Chloe's too. Ready? So pretty. Even though she doesn't have much hair to brush, she has a little. Just a little bit. Are you ready to go to bed now? Yeah. It's time to go to bed. You want a pluggy? Oh, she already just want to go to bed, of course. Here, you want a pluggy? Are you gonna try to escape? There we go. Let's get some blankets. Here's a pink fuzzy one. You want this one? She's not even laying down. It's okay. She'll eventually get tired. Here's some blankets. I know you don't want to go to bed, but you have to, okay? At least eventually. I know she thinks it's funny to stay up all night. Good night, Chloe. Bye-bye. Now it's time for me to go to bed. Today was a good day. And now you guys get to watch me get into bed and go to sleep. Well, maybe not actually go to sleep, but I gotta put all my blankets on. I always sleep with this one on top. I don't know why, but yeah. And here's my little light. Good night, guys.